Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to save the radio station presets. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now I will show you this quickly how it is done. Now first you want to enter your radio menu by pressing down here. And now once you find the radio station you want to save, so you can seek with these buttons here. So let's say this one. And now if you want to save it to one of these 6 presets here, what you will do, you will press one of the presets and keep holding it for a couple of seconds. And you will get the message down here, preset saved. And now you have this at position number 6. And that's pretty much everything. If you want to do the same with AM frequencies, same stuff. So I don't know, let's do this one and I will save it to position number 3. Preset saved, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider supporting my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.